In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out everywhere in Gohighlevel 2026, step by step. If you want to log out of your Gohighlevel account across all devices and sessions, this process is very straightforward once you know where to look. This can be especially useful if you've signed in on multiple computers, used a shared device, or just want to improve your account security and make sure no old sessions remain active. To begin, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're in the agency view. This is the area where you can access broader account level settings, so if you're currently inside a sub-account, switch back to the agency level dashboard first. Once you're there, stay focused on the left-hand side of the screen because that's where the main navigation panel is located. From the menu on the left, click on Settings. This will take you into the section where your account and profile preferences are managed. If you're following along on a smaller screen, the menu may appear slightly compressed, so just make sure you fully open the sidebar if needed. After entering settings, look for the option labeled Sign Out Everywhere. Click on it once to start the sign out process. Depending on your screen layout, you may see this option clearly in your profile or account settings area. Go ahead and click Sign Out Everywhere again if a follow-up prompt or a confirmation style button appears. In many cases, platforms include an extra click here to help prevent accidental logouts, especially when the action affects every active session tied to your account. You may be asked once more to confirm by clicking Sign Out Everywhere. If that final confirmation appears, select it to continue. This step ensures that the system understands you want to end access on all logged in devices, not just the one you're currently using. At the end of the process, you'll see a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to sign out of this account everywhere. Click that confirmation to complete the action. Once you do, Gohighlevel will log you out from all active sessions associated with your account. After that, you may need to sign back in on the device you want to keep using, so make sure you have your login details ready before you confirm. This is a good habit whenever you suspect someone else may have access, or after logging in from a public or temporary device. And that's it. That's how to sign out everywhere and Gohighlevel quickly and securely.